One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
Hello, friends. This is Zarbod. Once again it is Valentine's Day and I'm alone. Oh, so very alone.
Hello.
Sometimes I wonder if love is even real or just an illusion forced upon the self from within and without. And is without better or worse? Is it even worth the effort? The struggle. Oh, the struggle. And then sometimes I know. Yes, I know. What is love? And what am I? Destined to live beneath pale sky, when evening dusk and midnight pitch cast a pall upon the soul, when love's poverty and fortune's rich never quench, never full. Is love a thing which others gain, illusion at its base? Is sweet desire all that insane, and what it will erase? I think perhaps that love's quest is vain, a fortune never had, and fortune's gain can drive insane. Fulfillment to the mad, is there fulfillment in the earth or heaven up above? No, there is no gain. Methinks again, there is no real love. And then I see that dear again, and know that it exists in children's hearts and minds, and yet the senses will not list the complete love of one who given never seeks return. For love is given without receipt, for never is it earned, and in display was never shown, nor shall it ever show. And then I see the way it is. It's then I truly know